Hey everybody, Dave Gove, your Lake Tahoe and Truckee Realtor here, and I wanted to take a minute today and talk to you about the reason why I'm a realtor. So it started out when I was a kid. I always loved houses. Whenever there was a new house being built in the neighborhood, I would go check it out and walk through it and try and figure out what room was what. I bet this is going to be the kitchen, and oh cool, there's going to be a view over here, and just really enjoyed that experience. So much so that I went into the trades. I started out as a carpenter and worked my way through several other trades and eventually became a general building contractor, and have had the opportunity to build some amazing homes in my career and remodel countless homes in my career. And I've worked on multifamily projects. I've worked in skyscrapers, anything that you can live in except for like a RV or a mobile home. Actually, that's not true. I renovated my own RV once. But I've worked on all kinds of houses and I've built all kinds of houses. And I love houses. When I moved out to Truckee in 2013, I took on a position as a project manager for a multifamily residential project, so condominiums, right? Building multiple condominiums at a time. And one of my roles as the project manager for that condominium complex, deliver the product to the end user. So I would be doing warranty walkthroughs and explaining, how everything worked, and taking a look at, punch list details and going over all the heating and the equipment and everything in the house. And in doing this, I was also educating the salespeople, realtors, and doing this process with them and their clients. And as I turned over a dozen or so of these units, I was so amazed at how many questions the realtors had, because it just seemed like they had no idea about the product that they were actually selling. And quite frankly, a lot of them didn't have much business acumen either. So I saw that as an opportunity to further my career and take the next step and go into real estate sales. And now I do that full-time now. I no longer build, even though I am currently building a house for myself and my family, but I'm no longer building professionally because I've gone full-time into real estate, helping people buy and sell home, and most importantly, understand the product that they have or understand why they shouldn't buy a certain product. So that is why I'm a realtor, and that is something that I take a lot of pride in, being one of the most educated realtors about the products, the houses themselves in this market. So if you have any questions about houses in general, how they're built, how you can remodel them, what can and can't be done, please use me as a resource. I'm here to help, and I look forward to talking to you soon.